Yeah, open it, please. Sajid. Stop. You didn't get it, bro. You get it? Let's go. Welcome, sir. Let's go.
Ago, but there are a lot of expectations when it comes to traveling and benefits back at home.
Right.
What should Nigerians be looking forward to with this trip, or is it just another trip?
No, it's not another trip. It's a strategic trip. First of all, it's an invitation by this government because, of course, you know, the president of Nigeria was a leader of ECOWAS. He's a person of influence in Africa. Nigeria also has a strong force in Africa, and with the exceptional breakthrough that we're having in all fields in Nigeria, in the economy, area of security, politics and all that. So the president showed up today for the state visit, and we're looking to the program probably starting from tomorrow. We'll look at those areas of possibilities that the two parties are going to explore, in the area of defense, security, in the area of economy. In fact, we have the ministers of the various fields that we intend to have bilateral talks on. They are also on this trip and ready to go.
Just recently, the president recorded a success, a huge one, with United Arab Emirates, and now coming to Turkey, another Middle East country. What about Nigeria and Middle East?
Yeah, so except what you're talking about, the progress we are making so far, right? The president is a very influential leader that world leaders know. Of course, you must be aware of the relationship between Nigeria and the U.S. following the little problem we had before. That's because of the personality and the leadership that the president brings on board. So most of these leaders, especially we just, like you said, we finished with the United Arab Emirates and now with the government and the people of Turkey. Of course, you know, historically, they are good in the area of security. They also have the capacity to produce weapons that are key and critical to what we need. We also have areas where we've been of help to them. If you look at Turkey-Nigeria relationship over the years, you will see investment by the Turkish people, Turkish government in Nigeria. You see also the value Nigerian people and the Nigerian government has over the years brought to the Republic of Turkey. And so this is a shared meeting for shared interests, and also a meeting that we're looking to, at the end of the day, we will give you information as to the deliverables of what will come out of it. But it is a meeting that the people of Turkey are expectant. You can see when the president came, the excitement around, you know, this place, the people, of course, showing excitement about the prospect of what to discuss tomorrow. So hopefully by tomorrow we'll give you more details about the specific fields and areas that we intend to explore with the bilateral talks.